Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn how to do color grading and color corrections with Capcut PC. So if you want to go ahead and do some color gradings onto the video clips that you have, then you're onto the right guide. So as you can see, we're currently onto CapCut's editor already. And for us to be able to get started, it is first important to add in a video first. So let's add in the video that you want to use. So I have a video already in here. And if you haven't uploaded the video onto your end, just simply click onto the import button in here to browse your different files and click onto the video that you want to use. So right after, it should look something like this, and you could just click onto the plus icon to add this track onto your timeline. So it should look something like this. So right after, for us to be able to begin adding some effects or colors or do a color grading onto your video, the first thing you need to do is just simply click onto the video that you have added. Right after, there should be a lot of options here onto the right side that you could do. So you could just click onto the adjustments in here, since this is where you could go ahead and do the color corrections or the different settings that you could adjust onto your video. So there is actually an auto adjust option in here so that you could go ahead and add this or apply this onto your video, but you could go ahead and do this one manually as well. You'll just have to scroll down in here, and as you can see, you could turn on these adjustments in here. Just make sure that this one is turned on. So if this one is turned on, you could go ahead and play with the colors in here, just like the temperature. So you could lower it down, the hue for that, and also the saturation. So you can make this one higher, just like that, or you can make this one lower. So there are a lot of options to do. You'll just need to drag this one in here or slide. You could also adjust the lightness, like you could make this more bright or darker. You could adjust the contrast as well for that. You could add in some highlights or lower it. The shadows, you could make this one lighter or darker as well. You could adjust the whites, the blacks, and also the illumination of your video. So you could also adjust the effects for that, like you could sharpen or you could clarify the video, add in a little bit of particles for that, add in some fade, and also this one. So right after, you could adjust more in HSL as well. So this is where you could adjust the color. If you want to go ahead and or dive more onto the bluish side of the video, you could go ahead and click onto the blue color in here, adjust it to make it more blue, saturation for that, and the brightness as well. So you could just simply slide this one out. We also have the curves in here. So you'll just need to go ahead and adjust this to go ahead and do your color grading of each video. Lastly, we have the color wheel option. You could turn this one on so that you could adjust the strength for that. You could mainly choose the colors for your shadows, middle grades, and offset, and many more. So you could also save the preset, and once you're done, you could just simply do a quick preview onto your edited video. And you could simply export this once you're satisfied. And that is just basically it on how you could do a color grading onto your clips or videos on Capcut PC. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.